Did you know that after the age of 40, your body starts losing muscle mass more easily? But what if I told you there's a way to reverse that? There are 8 key exercises that can completely change the game, helping you keep your muscles strong and your body in balance. Sound unlikely? It's absolutely possible. If you think aging means weakness, it might be time to rethink that idea. In this guide, you'll discover the only 8 exercises you really need to build muscle and protect your health after 40. Curious? Read on to see how they can transform your life. 1. Burpees. Burpees are intense and challenging, a full-body workout that combines a squat, push-up, and jump in one explosive movement. They activate multiple muscle groups at once. This exercise not only builds strength across the entire body, but also boosts heart and lung health by raising your heart rate. Plus, its high intensity triggers the afterburn effect, helping you burn fat even after your workout ends. Burpees also help maintain joint mobility and flexibility, crucial as we age. 2. Plank. Planks go far beyond just working your abs. They activate your whole body, strengthening your quads, glutes, and pelvic area. Holding the position engages multiple muscles at once and distributes body weight evenly, protecting your shoulders and lower back from strain. Planks improve overall performance, especially in other exercises, thanks to better body stabilization. They also promote better posture by strengthening your core and glutes, reducing the risk of back pain and injury. When done regularly, planks build a stronger, healthier, and more resilient body. 3. Push-ups. Push-ups are extremely effective for upper body strength. They target your chest, triceps, shoulders, abs, and lower back, building muscle and stability. Though simple, push-ups can be just as powerful as machines at the gym. Studies show that those who can perform more push-ups have a lower risk of heart disease. They also help with fat loss and body composition, making them a practical and powerful option for home workouts. 4. Hanging from a pull-up bar. Hanging from a bar is excellent for stretching and decompressing your spine, ideal for anyone who sits for long hours. It also strengthens your arms, shoulders, and back, while improving your grip strength. Grip strength is strongly linked to overall health and independence in older age. This movement can also support shoulder recovery when done correctly. Adding it to your routine improves posture and reduces muscle tension, even with short daily sessions. 5. Squats. Squats are a classic exercise, perfect for building strength and muscle mass in the legs. They work key muscles like the glutes, quads, and hamstrings, leading to consistent strength and size gains. They also improve your performance in daily tasks like climbing stairs or carrying groceries. Squats help protect your joints and boost bone density, especially important after 40, when the risk of osteoporosis increases. Varying your squats with jumps, weights, or kettlebells keeps the workout engaging and challenging. 6. Running in place. Running in place is a practical way to stay active in tight spaces. Even without leaving your home, it raises your heart rate, boosts cardiovascular health, and builds leg endurance. It also stimulates your metabolism and increases calorie burn throughout the day. You can do it in short, intense sessions, great as a warm-up or workout finisher. It's suitable for all fitness levels and easily adjustable to your pace. 7. Lunges. Lunges are great for building leg strength, especially in your glutes and quads. They also activate your core, improve balance, and help increase lean muscle mass, keeping your metabolism active even at rest. In addition to fat loss and muscle definition, lunges strengthen joints and ligaments, which helps prevent injury. They require coordination and focus, bringing extra benefits to your stability and body control. 8. Yoga. Yoga is an ancient practice that blends strength, flexibility, and breath control. After 40, these benefits become even more valuable. Regular practice improves balance, reduces chronic pain, especially in the back and neck, and helps manage stress through mindful breathing. Yoga also enhances body stability, mental focus, and mobility, becoming an ally for both body and mind. Turning 40 doesn't mean slowing down. It's the perfect time to take charge of your body. These 8 exercises provide a solid foundation for maintaining strength, mobility, and health, even with a busy schedule. The key is consistency. You don't need to train every day, just regularly and with respect for your body's limits. With the right moves and steady effort, you can build muscle, boost your conditioning, and feel more energized at every stage of life. After all, aging with vitality is a choice, and it starts with movement.